Okay, we got a garden that's 12 meters by 16. We want to add a walkway that's the width is W, okay, on all sides. And we want to know what should the width be if we want the total area to be 285 square meters in the end with the walkway. So here's my picture, 12 by 16. You've got a width of W here and a width of W here. That means there's a width of W here and here as well. Okay, it's on all sides. So we can express the length and width of the garden with the walkway. If this is 12 here, we've got a W here and a W here, making this 12 plus 2 W's. And then this is 16 plus 2 W's as well. And we want the total area of that to be 285. So the area of a rectangle is length times width. We have 12 plus 2W times 16 plus 2W is equal to 285. Now we've just got to solve this equation for W. So we use the distributive property here, and we get this. Okay. Now we want to get this. This is a quadratic equation. We have a W squared here. We got to get this set up to be solved. So I'm going to sort of set it equal to 0. So I combine these like terms. I get the W squared term first, and I get this. Then I subtract 285 from both sides to get it set equal to 0. Okay, and I get 4W squared plus 56W minus 93 equals 0. Now I want to prep it to solve by completing the square, so I divide everything by 4, and I get W squared plus 14W minus 23.25 equals 0. I want to complete the square, so I'm going to add 23.25 to both sides, and I get this. Now I take half of the W term, square it, that's 49, and that's what I add to both sides. And I get W squared plus 14W plus 49 equals 72.25. This is a perfect square. It's W plus 7 squared equals that. When you take the square root of both sides, it's sort of surprising, but 72.25 has a clean square root, which is 8.5. So we get W plus 7 is either equal to 8.5 or negative 8.5. And solving for W by subtracting 7 from both sides, we get that W either equals 1.5 or W equals negative 15.5. Obviously the width is not negative, so in this case we're going to reject that answer. The width is 1.5.